The easiest way to make $3,400 online daily for beginners in the laziest way possible is the method I'm going to show you right now. My name is Ryan Borden. Let's jump into this. If we look at our Stripe account here, we can see the past 4 weeks, and we can go in like the past 3 months, for example, and that sort of stuff. But we're looking at the past 4 weeks specifically. And so it's 97,000 something dollars. If we bust out our calculator and divide that out by 28 days, because that's 4 weeks, we see $3,400, which is how I got to our $3,400 mark that we are talking about today. Now, I'm not saying this to brag, but I do want you to understand that it is possible for you, and this doesn't even include the money that we bring in through PayPal. So let's have a look at this and let's dive in. The first thing I do want to mention before we get started is simply that if you could help me out and so I can help you out, that would be great. The way you can help me is leave me a yes in the comments right now, like pause the video right now and leave me a yes. That helps me because it helps me on YouTube. And it helps with the videos, but it also helps me to be able to understand that this is the kind of training that you want, and this is the kind of information that you want, so I can make more videos like this, which helps you because you get more videos like this. So we can help each other. And if you let me know that, and if this isn't it, just drop me a note down there, tell me what you want to see. All right, the method that we're going to use here as we jump into this, so stick with me, I'm going to walk you through the whole step, how you get to $3,400 daily. I do want to, give you a disclaimer. This isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. This isn't a push a button and retire scheme. This is an actual method where you're going to have to do some work and learn some stuff, but you can actually make a significant amount of money online. $3,400, if you want to get to that mark, is just under $100,000 a month, which is, over $1 million a year, which is not nothing. So let's do this. We have to first utilize the copy method. So what does that mean? Well, what I'm saying here is not to plagiarize and not to steal, but also not to reinvent the wheel. So we're going to copy some strategies that are working, and ultimately we're going to sell some products here. And so in order to make some sales, to get some money, we're going to need products. So let me first mention this first website right here. If you go to this website right here, you can grab this free checklist of tools that you can get paid to promote the products. And inside this free checklist of tools that will pay you to promote their products, and there's tons across the bottom here, different categories. Inside here, we can see that there is a free Facebook group that you can join as well. So let's grab this tool, for example, and let's pretend we're going to promote this one. Not pretend, we actually do, we used to. We don't currently promote this product, but if you were going to, you'd come here, apply to be a partner, log in. You would find some stats, and then of course the link that people use to get paid, which we're going to talk about later. And so you can see here like the payouts, ours go back a while. We used to promote it, we don't anymore. And the reason we still get paid is because it's a 30% reoccurring commission, which is really great. I like to do work now and get paid later and later and later and later and later and month after month after month, all for the work I did once. So that is a great strategy. But stick with us here as you go to this website and get the list of tools to promote. When you go into the method here, what we're going to do is we're going to copy something that's already working. So what does that really mean? What does that look like? Well, we're going to copy a strategy that works. So I went to TikTok, typed in make money online for beginners, or beginner method rather. Now this could be anything. You could do something about the product you're promoting here and get videos on that. It doesn't really matter. Here's the concept. We want to do what works, right? So the platforms, they are all about getting views, and they want to show people what people want to see, and people want to see what they've already seen. Means if it's popular enough to get to 477,000 views like we see here, or 107,000 or 86,000 views, then it's probably popular enough and worth enough that we could get it to double that. So if you make another video that is a similar strategy to this, of a similar video, then the algorithms are probably, or more likely to go ahead and show that to more people, which gets you more views because they already know it works. So we're just going to kind of copycat an idea here. We're not going to steal it. We're not going to plagiarize it. You can use ChatGPT and take the transcript here from the video, and you can have ChatGPT rewrite it for you so that it's totally, unique, but says the same thing, close enough for the algorithms. So you have that as an option. If some people just want to pick it up and go with it, whatever you want to do is fine. Once you have your video, it's obviously going to get views. And we're going to turn those views into what I call leads. You might call them pre-customers or whatever. Don't get stuck on terminology. What matters is those leads are ultimately going to become sales, and when they become sales, you get paid. So we're gaining traffic by utilizing a video. So we've made a video, we posted it on TikTok. We're going to post it, of course, on YouTube, on Facebook, on Instagram. You can post it on Twitter, wherever you want. I would post it on several platforms, at least the 4 big ones: Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, and TikTok, because those are your 4 big ones to get the most traffic on average. Once you've posted it there and you're getting traffic, you're going to put a link in the video. So at some point in the video, when you make the video, you're going to put a link. It's going to be a website, like a redirect website. We teach you how to do that in this really cool checklist, which I'm going to talk more about here at the end. I'm actually going to show you the checklist. But if you go over here to this website right here, you can go to this URL here and you can get the whole checklist. And so the checklist is going to walk you through how to do everything in nice little 5-minute videos. So it's really cool. In fact, I put a new video on the checklist just a few minutes ago, and I already have another video planned here shortly. It's going to go in the checklist. Like I said, I'll show it to you here as we get farther in the video, but it's going to walk you through everything step by step. So you get your redirect domain and you put it in your actual video. So here we have our video, and let's say it's this one. We copied it, we posted it, and in the video we tell them to go to myamazingwebsite.com, right? And then they go there, and then it shows them, or it directs them to a place where you can capture their email address. So it looks basically like so. We call it a squeeze page or a landing page. This is one. Obviously, you could build them however in the checklist. In fact, I was recording a video on how to do this today. And when you go here, they can enter their email address. So they put it in here, like, I don't know, whatever the email address is. They click Get Started Now. And then first of all, they get sent to the page where they can buy the product, right? So that gives them a chance straight away to buy the product and then turn around and you get paid. Secondly, when they enter their email address, you're going to turn this into an automated system. I guess I can't spell here. An automated system that creates the sales for you. In fact, is going to create a lot of sales for you, more than the one product. So even though we started and we're promoting this product, we're not going to stay there. So on our original scary checklist, so I'm going to call these 2 different things. The scary checklist is the list of tools you get paid to promote, and the short form checklist is the checklist that teaches you how to do it. So you have a list of tools, the scary tool list that is paying you to promote their products, and the short form checklist that is teaching you how to do it. Now on the scary list, after we sell the first product, we're going to keep selling them. So we're not literally sell all of these products, because that's how we're going to get to $3,400 a day, right? I can't make, I guess if I worked hard enough, if I wanted to super duper 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 hard, selling just one product, I can get to $3,400 a day. But that's really hard. Now, the great thing about affiliate marketing in the first place is I don't have to make the product. I don't have to handle customer service. I don't have to ship the product. I don't have to deliver the product. I don't have to troubleshoot the product. I don't have to support the product. I don't have to deal with anything of the product. All I have to do is get people to buy using free traffic and from Facebook and TikTok and the rest, right? So once someone buys, someone else fulfills the product. So if we're selling Jasper, for example, Jasper fulfills the product. They deal with the customer service. They deal with collecting all of the money. They deal with all the refunds. They deal with all of the hassle and the security and blah, 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 blah. The whole list goes on. They deal with all the employees and everything, right? What they do then is just pay you. And so all you have to do is just get paid. And you don't have to deal with anything else. And the amazing thing is this scales very well with an automated system, because I can set up to sell this product and then this product and then this product and go over here and sell all of these products and so on and so forth, because I don't have to deliver any of the products. All I have to do is sell the products, and the system that we teach you how to do is utilizing the traffic to drive, and you can drive for all of these. And so when we set this up with a squeeze page in our CRM here, if you don't know what a CRM is, don't get lost in that. Just drop a comment down below, can explain that or any other terms. But whenever we get someone here, so let's just review because I don't want to lose you. When we get someone here and we have made our video, copying a method that works, that gets us views. And the views are basically traffic that go to the website we put in the video, and they land on our landing page and become leads. So that's where they capture the email part is. So again, the landing page, squeeze page, is this page right here. Once they enter their email address, then our automated system begins to sell to them. So how does that work? Haven't talked about that yet. That's what this is here. In here, we have this email campaign set up. So we're going to sell to them via email. If we look at this campaign, for example, we can see there's tons of emails in here, and they're all set up on a delay. So what happens is immediately when someone enters their email address, they get an email from us. First, they go directly to the buy page so they can buy, and some people will. Most people will not buy until they have seen an offer at least 7 times. So a few people will buy immediately, a very small percentage. The rest are going to buy over the course of the next 7 to 10 days or so. So we start sending them emails, and then a few hours later, we send them another one a day later, so on and so forth. And this can be structured different ways. Again, in the short form checklist at this URL here, we teach you, or walk you through that rather, step by step with little 5-minute videos that give you chunks that you can execute on to build this. And you can even use ChatGPT to write the emails, which is amazing. But if we look at an email, inside an email is going to be an option here. And this is kind of like a template. I have this set up as a template, but you obviously would put your link right here where it says paste your affiliate link. So you would paste your link here. And that is going to be, of course, this link here. In all of the tools, they're going to give you a link to drive traffic to. And then anybody that goes there and buys, that gets credited to you. So you're going to put this link right here in your email, and then as soon as someone comes over here, enters their email address, and they're going to get this email from you saying, hey, go buy this because it's amazing. And then the next day they're going to get, or after some time, this one sends 2 in the first day, and then another day later they get another one. So tons of emails offering them to buy whatever it is that you're selling or promoting, because you're not really selling it, you're just promoting it, because you don't have to deal with any of the work for it, right? And so when someone goes there to your link and they click the link in the email, clicked on the wrong thing here. Whenever they go and they click in the link in the email, they buy, then you get paid. That's how we have, so we can see 36,000 people clicked links in our emails. We have 8,700 of those people from the 36,000 who actually signed up for like a free trial, because Jasper offers a free trial. Out of those 8,700, 462 of them converted to paid customers. And that leaves us with about $3,423 of current unpaid earnings. And you can see about $2,000 to $3,000 a month of earnings over the past year plus, right? So that's the concept here. We copy a video that gets traffic, sends them to a landing page, and then that is going to automatically email them every single day. And then also allow us to automatically transition to other products from our scary checklist, which is, don't forget, the whole list of companies that will pay you to promote their products. And so the system, the CRM here, lets us transition. When someone buys one thing, then we can keep selling them the next one, the next one, the next one. So how long do we get to sell to them? Well, until they stop buying from you. So some customers will stop buying from you. You know, they might buy 1 thing or 2 things and that's it. Other customers are going to stick around for 2, 3, 4, 5 years and buy stuff. I literally have customers from 7 years ago still buying stuff from me today. So you can actually use this to stack up a lot of customers over a period of time that continue to buy from you. And it's like it's automatic, right? All of this runs in the background once it's set up. You just have to set it up. And as far as setting it up, that is where this leveraging the checklist comes into play. So this is the checklist. If you go here, we can see that we have the basics and then TikTok. And then if you want to do ads, that's optional, but we teach you how to do that. And then the CRM setup, which is what I was just talking about. And then we have YouTube and Facebook and Instagram and email and editing, the digital profits marketplace, and then more coming. So I'm adding I'm adding videos to this checklist every single day. As you can see, a bunch of them are here. There are some coming soon topics, but by the time you get the checklist and start watching through the videos, all of these are going to start turning to click here, click here, click here. And then this is going to expand as we add more. Right now we're at about 67 topics. I guess you minus out the yellow bars, that's like 60 videos. But these are nice short 5-minute videos, so you can jump in. Some of them are only like 2 minutes to like get a step done. And we wanted to break it down and make it easier, because some of our longer videos, people were saying that, you know, they have to rewatch them a bunch of times and then they got to find the part that talks about what they're doing. And so what we did here was we just broke it down just into bite-sized chunks. Each step along the way, you just literally walk down the path and watch the videos, and you get the process as you go along here. So I can't really make it any easier than that. So leveraging the checklist allows you to get everything done in a step-by-step way, in an easy format that ultimately allows you to walk people from getting views on your video, turning them into leads with the email capture form, turning them into sales with the automated system that literally does all the selling for you. So I say turn them into sales. All you literally have to do is build it and it turns them into sales, and then you get paid. And then you can use these programs to leverage some programs are reoccurring, some programs are one-off. You can choose what you want, what works for you, and then you can go with it because there's no limits. You can sell whatever you want here. You can sell services, you can sell affiliate products, you can sell our products, you can sell whatever you want. It does not matter. The system works for anything, and the checklist walks you through it step by step. So the way to get started is, of course, to go to the first scary tool list, because you're going to need this free list of companies that will pay you to promote their products. Of course, then you want to join the Facebook group, which is also free, and jump in there and post. You can ask questions and that sort of stuff. And then that is the list that you need, the scary list. And of course, you need to go over and grab the short form checklist over here at this website, because this list is what we just saw, the checklist that walks you through how to do it step by step by step by step by step. So grab the checklist and then jump over to the Facebook group, post that you got the checklist, and then if you have questions, we'll just answer those questions by making more videos and putting them in the checklist so that you have the answer, and so does everybody else. So I will see you in the checklist and in the Facebook group, and until then, happy money making.